Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to use Hostinger Website Builder. Once you are inside your Hostinger account, go to Websites, then click on Edit Website. As you can see, there are two menus or two toolbars, the top toolbar and the left side toolbar. In order to add a new element to your page, you can just click on Add Element and you can drag and drop any element from this list. You can add a text, a button, an image, a video. You can also add a contact form or a subscribe form. Let's say we want to add a video here. Just click it, drag it like that. If you want to edit your video, click on edit, add your link, and that's it. Let's say we want to delete these two elements and make this a wide video. Next, to add elements, you can manage your pages and also your menu, your top menu on your live website. For example, the about, I want the about page in the menu, of course, to be after contact. You can drag and drop it like that. You can also activate or enable the coming soon page, and you can hide elements or hide pages from navigation. Just if you want to undo an action, just click on this little arrow. As you can see, and for this home link, I want to add it here. Below pages and navigation, you can customize your website styles. For example, if you have a brand and you already have some colors you need to follow, you can change it from this little window. Below it, you have AI tools, for example, to generate images, to write content inside your site. Let's say you want to add in your about page, you want to write a section about your about your coffee shop. You just use AI writer. You put your input. For example, I am a coffee shop and I want to write an SEO optimized section in my about page. This is my address, this is my name, this is my staff, all the useful information about your business. Just write it and hit create text, and he will give you a text to add. After the AI tools, you have an option to enable the e-commerce store on your website. For further details or for deep management tools, you can hit manage store. Clicking on these three dots, you will see website settings, like if you want to enable a blog section on your website. If you want to manage your appointments on your website, you have general settings, like you to add a favicon which appears before your website 3W. You can also have a preview image. You can also add a cookie banner and also enable or disable the 3W in your domain name. Inside the integrations, you can add a custom code if you want, or you can enable popular tools like Google Analytics, Hotjar to capture your website's visitors session videos, or heat maps to locate where people click on your website. You can also add a Google Pixel to manage ads on your Facebook. Under integrations, you can add forms into your website page, see analytics, export website files, do SEO for your settings, like locating your sitemap link to add to Google Search Console, to edit your titles, meta descriptions, and URLs. You can also upload medias from here, activate a second language for your website. For multi-languages website, I recommend you to not to add your second language until you finish making your website. And you can also manage backups from here. To visit Hostinger website, you can use my affiliate link, which is bensexperience.com/hostinger. Using this link will definitely support me creating more content like this. So thank you for your help. If you used my link to get your Hostinger account, I can help you with anything related to Hostinger, WordPress, affiliate marketing. Just drop me an email at ben@bensexperience.com. So let's continue the video. That was all for this left side menu. For the top side menu, you can preview website in mobile. You can undo actions like we've just seen in this video. You can connect if you're using a temporary website address. You can add your domain. You can save your actions. Don't worry, autosave is always on. You can also preview your website or your modifications, or activate the coming soon page also from here, or update. When you want to save something, just click on update. You can view your site from here. Before you go, I have something special for you. I have 2 free online video courses for you. The first one is about Hostinger hosting and WordPress managing, and the second one shows you how to use Hostinger website builder to make basic websites or online shops. You can get them both for free just by clicking the link in the description. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any question, leave a comment below.